What? Ano? Dito ka, dito ka. Slime na yellow?
Yeah.
What's that? Yung kulay yellow yung packaging?
Yeah.
Say please muna kay daddy, dali.
Daddy, please, God.
Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes. Hindi ganyan. Beautiful eyes. Para bili ka ni daddy, bilisan mo. Dali. O, ano mo na sasabihin kay mami?
Mommy, open it.
O, kanta ka muna.
Now my mighty now be shiny like a puppy. Has me a heart that always shines now every. Regularly up up
More.
No, Miss Ore. Bongo Golden. Up up up. No, Miss Ore. Bongo Golden.
Kanta kay mami.
Papa, boys, no, Miss Ore.
Ay, sino kanta? Hand tricks naman, hand tricks.
Ayaw ko.
Hmm?
Ayaw ko hand
O, iba naman, iba.
No.
Iba naman.
No.
You sing other muna.
No.
O, you say please open mami.
Please open, mommy.
O, open mo na. Ano kaya yan? Hulaan mo ano yan.
I can't open it.
O, higit mo, higit mo.
Dito. Ito kaya. I can't do it, mommy.
You can.
I can't.
It's heavy?
Heavy. Open it, mommy. Dito. Wow. It's a slime. Honey. Wow, it's a slime. Oh, my mommy.
Pang ilang ganyan muna talaga yan. O, hold mo, mahulog. You like it? Ano masasabi mo kay mami?
Thank you, mommy. Save.
It's heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. Open this.
O, nagaganan ka na. Ayos mo, ayos mo.
Ay.
You sit down, you sit down. O, smile kay mami muna. Smile. Hindi ganyan, nakatayo dapat yan like this. O, picture muna mami. Smile. O, you open na.
Okay, mommy. This one, three. No more. Meron pa. Meron pa. Meron pa. Meron pa. Next slide. Okay, next. Ano ito, mommy? Ano ito?
Pang design ng cake.
Pang
O, you get all na dali. You get others pa.
Ano pa?
Share your toys with Ching Ching ha. Naliligo lang si Ching Ching.
Pangligo lang. Ito din.
Wow, so dami. May recipe book pa oh. Okay, all done.
All done.
You like it? Smile muna kay mami. So daming toys. Nakamahal. Ayan ang gusto.
Mommy, instructions.
Instructions. Oh, let's start.
Let's
Open this.
Okay.
You peel it. Yan. Wow. What?
Is that pretty?
You like it?
Yeah, mommy, thank you
Mhm.
for watching. Thank you for watching, mommy. Thank you.
Oh, you start na. You start making tinapay na. You start making bread.
Tinapay?
Yes.
Mommy, mano. Ito siya, mommy, you're wrong.
Oh, ito na baby oh. Yes, cover na like this. Yung isa naman, yung isa naman. Here.
Naman?
Oh,
Naman?
you like to eat that?
Now, it's fake.
Oh. Yes, don't eat that. It's fake. Ngayon?
I like to open that.
Okay.
It's
In progress.
Monday,
Monday, Tuesday,
Thursday,
Wednesday, Lily, where are you?
Thursday,
Friday, and Saturday.
Saturday.
Oh, listen kay teacher dali.
Ano kapag uwi mo magpapag-tinapon ko?
Now, we're not in class. Counting numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? Counting numbers from
One,
number 3,
hey,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, one more time.
Ito na chocolate cake, bilis. Akin na. Oh, you put chocolate syrup.
syrup. Wow!
Okay, let's learn how to
Yan natatawagan ni teacher. Baby.
Kaiden. Why are you crying, Kaiden?
Done! What was that?
Let's write numbers, Lily. 1, go down. 9 going down. Start with the count and then go down.
Ching Ching here. Ching Ching, look here.
Number 2. Gabby is writing number 3.
Dirty na. Ikaw, Nat. Alalala. So dami. Yay.
Honey.